Hello, good people. Nice to talk to you again. Anyway, I saw in the A.M.New York magazine today about there's a new book out called How to Window Box by a young couple of horticulturists, and they talk about how it's good for us to have plants around. They talk basically about how to do the arrangement for the box itself. And let's take a look at the article. Let's take a look at this. How to window box. Building a garden in a small space. New book offers window box tips by Kiera Alexander. From air purification to stress reduction, houseplants provide the sort of health benefits that New Yorkers are often in short supply of. But NYC abodes are not exactly known for spacious gardens, and houseplants can often take up precious square footage. Enter the window box, the simple solution for apartment dwellers that gardeners Ryan Benoit and Chantel Aida Gordon have taken in an array of imaginative directions with their book, quote, How to Window Box. The husband and wife team, who also founded the gardening blog The Horticult, have created 16 diverse window box themes in their book, each with a step-by-step guide from herb gardens to jungles, woodlands to beach dunes. Those contemporary living dioramas are cool modern versions of your grandma's version. Quote, a window box is an opportunity to flex your arranging skills, Gordon says, and also really get to know a category of plants. For the fair-weather green thumb, making it personal is key, she says. Quote, having a window box that reflects your personality will make you more likely to actually take care of it. When quizzed on how plants might best handle life in NYC, Benoit told us that, quote, plants are going to do best when they can see the sky. So it's good for them to see the sky. He also suggested keeping a tropical window box in a humid spot like the bathroom. As for the one tip for not killing a plant, go easy on the water. Whether positioned indoors or out on a fire escape, a window box is a great option for creating your own little urban Eden. So here we have How to Window Box, the book. How to Window Box is now available in bookstores, $14.99. And here's the horticulturists, imaginative gardening duo Chantel Aida Gordon and Ryan Benoit get creative in their book, How to Window Box. So there we have Chantel Aida Gordon and Ryan Benoit. And this is their book, How to Window Box. So we have an imaginative new way to make a window box by this couple, and it's a good thing to have some plants in the house for health reasons, and it's good for the decor also. So thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Take care.